To log into your Apple ID account on an Android device, you will need to use the Apple Music, Apple TV, or iCloud app, as there is no specific Apple ID app for Android. First, download and install the Apple Music app from the Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, open it and tap on the Create Account or Login button. If you already have an Apple ID, tap on the Login button and enter your Apple ID and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled on your Apple ID, you will receive a verification code on one of your other Apple devices. Enter this code to complete the login process. If you do not have an Apple ID, you can create one by tapping on the Create Account button. You will need to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. You will also need to provide a phone number to receive a verification code. Once you have logged into your Apple ID account, you can access various Apple services such as Apple Music, Apple TV, and iCloud. You can also use the Apple ID to purchase music, movies, and apps from the Google Play Store. To ensure the security of your Apple ID account, it is recommended that you enable two-factor authentication. This will require you to enter a verification code sent to one of your other Apple devices whenever you log into your Apple ID account on a new device. In addition, it is also recommended that you use a strong and unique password for your Apple ID account. You should also be cautious when logging into your Apple ID account on public devices or networks, as this can increase the risk of your account being compromised. By following these steps, you can easily log into your Apple ID account on an Android device and access various Apple services. It is also important to remember to always prioritize the security of your Apple ID account to prevent unauthorized access.